What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Kling AI video generator. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Just search for Kling AI and then go to klingai.com. Now, in the klingai.com, this is how it will look. Here, you just have to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, if you do not have any account, just click on this sign in. There should be a sign in button. Just click on that, create a new account, and there you go. You will have a new account. Once you have that account, click on this AI video or AI image, whatever you want to generate. Now here they will want you to, put the command or put the prompt. Now in the prompt, you just have to write whatever you want for generation. So search for like whatever you want to make, and then there are these settings as well. I'm just gonna explain you these settings. As you can see, this is the creativity. Now creativity means it will generate creative things according to itself, or do you want it to be relevant to the prompt that you gave? You can select the part according to you. And second thing is they have two modes. As you can see, this is a standard mode and this is the professional mode. As you can see, this is the difference between standard and professional mode. However, the professional mode is paid. If you want to get the professional mode, just click on this upgrade to premium, pay for it, and you will have access to that. And then you can generate 5-second videos at 10-second. Again, 10-second videos are only for professional modes. And these are the aspect ratios which you will be able to set even in the standard modes. However, if you move forward, you can set the camera movement as well. As you can see, these are the camera movements. You can actually add the zoom in effect according to your video. You can actually add the horizontal pan effect, however you want. You can add the negative prompt as well, which is actually optional. Now, the negative prompts means that you don't want, to animation, you don't want it to be blurred, you don't want to have any logo. And if you put these things and you won't see this in your generated video. After putting in the command, you just have to tap on this generate. Now, generation will cost you 10 points, and as you can see, I have currently 46 credits and it will cost you 10 coins. Now, I have generated these commands and these videos will be ready soon. As you can see, it is 95% done and this video is about 53% done. As you guys can see, this is the video that is generated. Now, this was the command and this was all the things. And as you can see, these were the settings that I set up. This was the zoom out effect. And as you can see, it will just zoom out as well. Now, if you want to watch the video, just play it and you'll be able to see your video. As you can see, these are the results for the AI right now. However, they are still working on it, and in future, you'll be able to get the 100% precise results because, as we know, the AI has been improving and it is still improving. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do with it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.